What up, everyone? I am getting ready to get rid of the turn signals, replace them with LEDs, and you may notice I am missing my tail license plate, whatever. So we're prepping to replace that with another piece that you may get a sneak peek of over there. But first, we need to prepare for that, and that's going to involve replacing the flasher relay for the turn signals. Right now it's an analog relay, which means that it'll hyper flash or not blink at all with LED turn signals. So we're going to get rid of that. Shouldn't take long, but there's a few steps. Step one, jack up your car. Just kidding. Take off your seat. I've already done some of this already, so it's just prepped. Step two, undo this. I think it's a number 3 JIS. You could probably make a number 2 work. JIS is going to be better than Phillips though. Removing your battery cover took me a few tries the first time. There's 2 little lips on here, so you actually push that in and then pull up on this side, and then these 2 tabs over here come off. So there's a better look at those 2 tabs on the front. Set that aside. In here you have your CDI box. I'm assuming that's CDI. A fuse panel, probably your starter relay. That's what that looks like. Beefy cable coming out. And then this is your flasher here. I already took mine off, so mine's probably going to be a little bit easier, but it has this nice waterproof boot on it. It does say push. Ignore that because it's not quite in the right spot. So I slid my boot down and then got a finger in right there and then pull it off. Honda has been using basically the same connectors like the entire time that they've had bikes. So it works great. This is interesting. We might not need to replace this after all. 23 watt times 2 plus 3.4 LED, 23 watt max, 4 bulbs. We're gonna test this. We might not need to do. All right, y'all. I am an absolute idiot. I was using the GoPro head strap thingy and didn't actually check my angles, so all of the work that I did on that, you can't see any of it, so that's fine. We're just gonna go over it in short details instead. So what I did, what you missed, was I made this little guy. It is a universal relay harness. This is our relay here. I am going to post Amazon links to everything in the description. We took the old relay, which did say LEDs, but we got a lot of hyper flash out of it, and are replacing it with this adjustable one. This adapter plugs straight in. It works great, and it just comes with bare leads. A long time ago, I bought a kit that... Oh, did I put that fully away? Nope, it's right here. I'm an idiot. I bought a kit that has... God, I can't do anything right. It has a whole bunch of these little Honda style adapters. What we wanted was this 3, but we have 6, 9s, 4s, 2s, whatever, and then the little pins. So I used that and a blank one, inserted some new pins in there. And this is our adapter. This means that we can just pull this out, put this in its place, and we get correct turn signals. So we just pop that. Let's make sure it's the right direction. There we go. Pop that guy back in. Set that there. Turn the bike on. And turn signal. Turn signal. And note, these are LED turn signal. This is the tail tidy we're putting on. We're replacing this so that we can run LEDs in the back and in the front. But that's going to be in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Like I said, Amazon links to everything in the description. I'm really excited. I have to weld up one piece for the tail tidy, and then we can install that. But that'll be tomorrow. It is 9-ish on Friday night, and I don't want to weld and move the Jeep out of here. So next time we'll show you that. Thanks for watching. Bye.